Hey, it's almost spring. We're gonna try this again. Last time I didn't have any luck with the quads. You can see the snow is a little bit better. Things are starting to melt finally. Temperatures are coming back up. I think it's in the low to mid 30s. I can't remember. We'll try this out. I'm gonna look for a new fly spot. Oops. Oh, breaking the quads already, damn it. Gonna look for a new fly spot, see where I can come up with something that's a little bit more accessible. A lot of the places I want to fly are still covered in snow, in parking lots and stuff anyways, but so we'll see if I can come up with a better spot. All right, same spot as last time. We'll try this again. Looks like the snow is a little bit better. Obviously there's not as much snow in the parking lot, so that should be good for me. What is the outside temperature? No, I can't even see it now. But anyways, we'll give it a shot. We'll see how things go. I say a lot. Should be a lot of fun. I haven't flown in a while, so this should be interesting. Yeah, interesting.
Flight mode launch.
Shadow of uncertain living, hang low and keep us in mind. And though nature ain't forgiving, that doesn't mean she isn't kind. What a treasure of intention, with smiling lips and searching eyes. I don't care for the intention, I'm grateful just to have the time. Lay it all down. You lay it all down. You lay it all down. Steady in a solemn garden, you say your hand is a mind's own. I don't waste a moment, darling, just to let those lips take control.
And fly out of it. All right, let's go find it. This sucks. Bring the transmitter so I got the beeper. Shit, shit, shit. This is going to suck. All right, here we go. Oh, there it is. That's not so bad. Found it. Hopefully the conformal coating will have protected the electronics somewhat. Oh, crap. Alright. Beeper still works. I'm gonna fly the snow out of it.
Oh babe, this world is a vendetta, as bittersweet as bitter cold. But in your gaze is sweet ambrosia, and my heart savors growing old. You lay it all down. You lay it all down. Oh, you lay it all down. Ooh. Show me something I can die for, and I will lay me in the ground. All these years of empty breathing, I let it go just for the sound. But you could set the song electric. Come on, dry the devil out. Poetry for a heretic. My blasphemy is beauty now.